What up,
there's another one in
guys? Hello sa inyo lahat, man. This is the time, bro.
Alright, that's the team dad.
This
That's
is the
team dad,
time.
bruh. The 1v4? Off drop? Dude, that was the whole... What the...
Cartoon game, guys. Okay.
They're already shooting at me. They better be shooting at my teammates, bro.
Sa mga nagsasabi na cartoon game ang PUBG,
Oh, hell
man,
yeah.
di kayo
Everybody
marunong
get some good...
maka-appreciate ng
Okay,
laro.
never mind. Not good look.
Okay,
Alright,
nagpo-focus
great.
lang
I
kayo
was
sa
expecting like
graphics.
a
Well,
6x or
ang
a
ganda
red
ng
dot
graphics
or,
ng PUBG, hindi
you know,
naman talaga
I'm
so...
walking around
Hindi
here
naman
with
talaga
a
pangit ang
freaking
graphics sa PUBG
4x.
Mobile.
I don't
Alam
even know
yun?
if the 4x is a good scope.
Hindi
The only one I
pangit
was
ang
told
graphics ng PUBG,
they're good
guys.
scopes are
Okay.
the 6x and the red dot. This one doesn't mean nothing to me. Also, where are the frickin' helmets, me
goods ito, boy.
broski? What? I can hear a horse. I can see a horse.
Di lang kaya ng device. Tama.
Yay!
Tama.
Don't go into the
Tama.
hay.
Nostalgic kasi PUBG, man. Sobrang OG.
What the hell?
Ooh!
Thanks for the free horse, dumb. Dumbity dum dum dumbity dum dum.
Ooh!
Yo, tough one there with the 4x. I could barely
Siguro
hit him,
yung mga
right?
ayaw sa PUBG, guys, sila yung mga tao na hindi pinagpala ng tutok eh. Alam mo yun?
My shots. It's okay. It's
Sila yung mga
okay.
hindi pinagpala ng
We're
tutok.
still cooking. How did I make it go in the air like that?
Yun lang yun eh.
What do you mean you're shooting
Sila
at
yung
me?
nagtry ng PUBG.
What's my teammate?
Hindi bumagay sa gameplay
There's Philippines
nila.
was in my game again, chat.
Hindi sila natuto
I didn't
mag-PUBG
realize so
kaya
many of you
iniwan na
played
nila at
this.
binash na lang.
From the Philippines.
That's the reality, boy.
There's so many of you in my game.
That's the reality.
Team, what are you shooting at?
Ako guys, kahit hindi ako mag-ano man eh. Kahit hindi ako mag-gyro sa PUBG man. Makakasabay pa rin. Ata. Actually guys, sa PUBG wala akong gyro
How
pero...
can you fly in this game?
Hindi naman
I've just
problema
seen that. I just seen 2 people fly.
Hindi na problema yun.
I just seen 2 of y'all fly, bruh.
Ata lang. Boss, switch ba kayo sa PUBG? Actually guys, hindi naman talaga totally switch na iiwan na namin ng ating mga iba't ibang, alam mo yun, pre. Well,
I got your
idadagdag
back, bruh.
natin sa igagrind natin si PUBG.
Little
Yun
jiggle
lang yun, pre.
peek for the broski.
Okay.
What gun is this?
Ano
this
na
is
rank
not-
ni Ferg?
Oh, he killed
Current
his
rank ni
teammate
Ferg
too.
ngayon guys is silver.
Did he?
Silver 4 na siya.
Oh, he got him. Yeah, we're good.
Kakagising lang. Actually, kanina pa ako gising. Ang
there's
ginagawa
more?
ko is nanonood ako ng
Oh, I
stream
see
ni
him. I
Ferg.
see him. Oh, this is a free kill
To
for
the
me,
fact,
right?
nakalimutan ko na dapat ay magla-live din ako ngayon, pre. Walang yan na yan.
It's a freebie for the goat.
Walang yan na yan, boy.
Is this? Oh, are we gonna ascend? Oh,
Yo!